Hi, today we'll show you how to check the software version on your Marshall Acton 3 speaker. The newest firmware version can enhance the speaker's performance, improve compatibility with other devices, and resolve any existing issues. Let's begin. First, ensure your speaker is securely plugged into the power source to ensure proper operation. Grab the charging cable. One end of the cable is securely plugged into the speaker's rear side for a stable connection, ensuring optimal sound quality. The other end is plugged into the power source. Great. Now let's turn on the speaker by gently pushing the power switch down. If AUX mode is selected, switch to Bluetooth mode for better connectivity. Press this button again, and you'll see a glowing indicator next to the Bluetooth icon, confirming the change was successful. Now, you'll need to download the Marshall Bluetooth app on your smartphone to help with the connection. Search for Marshall Bluetooth app in the store and tap Download to install it on your device. Installing. Now, let's open the app, accept all permissions, make sure Bluetooth is on, and return to the app. Agree to the terms, click Next, and finish registering by entering your email. Click Next to continue. You can skip this if you don't want to share data. Select Add a new device. The search process will begin and you'll see your speaker. Then, click the Add. Ensure that the Bluetooth indicator is flashing red. Currently, it is steady. Press and hold this button for a few seconds to start the flashing. This will activate the Bluetooth connection. You see that the Bluetooth indicator has started flashing. This means the device is ready to pair. Now, in your device's Bluetooth settings, choose the Acton 3 speaker and tap Pair to connect. Connecting. Return to the app. Waiting. Pair. Waiting. Continue. With a quick swipe to the right, we can start using the Marshall Bluetooth app effortlessly. Get started. To check the current firmware version, scroll down to the About section and click to view version 7.0.9. Updates for the Marshall Acton the 3rd speaker are done wirelessly, ensuring you have the latest features and improvements automatically. Thank you for watching. You will find more tips for your speaker in the playlist. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe so our channel pops up first when you search for solutions.